I am Luke Skywalker. When I was just a young man, I found a droid, and I repaired him. I found out later that my father before me had built that droid. You too can build a droid like the Jedis before you. Are you ready, Fun Kid Club? Build a droid. Luke Skywalker, we're up to the challenge. Let's build a droid. Matter of fact, let's build your droid, C-3PO. C-3PO, he's pretty smart. Oh, Luke! Have you successfully completed your mission, Fun Kid Club? We have! Look, Luke! There it is, C-3PO! The Fun Kid Club version of C-3PO, it is a Play-Doh surprise egg! We have some brand new things that you might not have ever seen before. So, come back and check out our opening video. You're gonna like this one. We love our Funko Pops. They're cool! Check out our opening video. See ya!